So, brown paper. First off, in the box, we have a Danscomp t-shirt. It's pretty cool. And then we have my receipt. Total is $103. I'm not going to show you that. And I got a, what is this? Oh, Shadow Conspiracy Interlock V2 chain, copper and black. I'll open that in the end. And then I got some pedals, some red Twisted PC pedals. And then I got some Animal Edwin De La Rosas in red, flangeless. And then, finally, I got a ProTech Bucky Elastic helmet. I got it in transparent white. Alright, here. And it came with a sticker sheet. That's pretty cool. So let's open this thing up. I got it in a large. And here's some tags and more stickers. And, oh, this is the pad. But yeah, here it is. We'll cut these tags off. Alright. So yeah, tags, stickers. So yeah, here it is. Transparent white. Oh man, that's super comfy. And then you can just adjust the straps on it. That's super comfy. Awesome, here it is. Alright, so let's open up the chain. So I got it in copper and black because I have like a gold raw frame, so I thought it would match. Alright. So we got, first thing is a master pin in there, and then we have like a little manual for it. And then we have the actual chain. Man, this is super sweet. Yep. Damn. And it comes in this like a coffin shaped box. It's pretty sweet. It has like a foam back end to it. Which comes out. Alright. Oh. I also got a Danscomp calendar. That's pretty good. Alright. Chain. Let's open up the pedals next. I needed new pedals badly, so I wanted to try these ones out. Here they are. They're heavier than I thought, but here they are. Twisted PC pedals by Odyssey. In red. And they also gave me black center caps, so you can put them right there if you don't like the red ones they come with. Yeah, these are super nice. Nice and grippy. Okay, let's open up the grips. Got them flanchless. Oh, the Barn's already in there. That's cool. I've ridden these before, and they take like 2 hours to break in, and then they're super soft. So I'm totally stoked to break these in and try them. So I think that's all. Yeah. So recap. Got helmet, buck elastic, helmet, or transparent white. We got a couple stickers. Oh, sorry. A couple stickers. We got Shadow Conspiracy V2 interlock chain, copper and black. We got Odyssey Twisted PC pedals in red. Alright. And then we got Danscomp free t-shirt. Animal Edwin grips, red flanchless. And a Danscomp calendar. Yep. So that's all I have for this unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you later.